This is a shovel, and on this video I'll show you how this shovel helped me go from getting scammed by every get-rich guru to quitting my job and working full-time for myself at home, doing something I love and helping a lot of people at the same time. But before I tell you about the shovel, let me tell you a quick story. My name is Jeff, and I've always wanted more out of life. Life is way too short, and I knew I didn't want to spend all of mine struggling to pay my bills, work at a job that I hated, and end up leaving the world without living fully. So I picked up some of these Make Money magazines at the local bookstore, and I started to send off for one get-rich program after another. I joined a magic juice opportunity, a health supplement opportunity, a greeting card opportunity, a weight loss shake opportunity, and way too many more to list here. Dozens and dozens of opportunities, all promising me that I'd get rich if I just sent away my money for their startup package. I'll admit, I was desperate for a solution. So I ended up spending a lot of money over the years with the get-rich gurus, money that I could barely afford, and money that I never got back. In fact, it seemed like all of my money flowed out into the pockets of people promising me riches, but for one reason or another, I never made the money back that their ads promised I'd make. Over the years of doing this over and over again, I got frustrated, and I got sick and tired of seeing smiling, happy people in the magazine ads telling me how easy it was to get rich when I knew it wasn't that easy. I had the empty bank account and big credit card bills to prove it. Well, long story short, I was attending another Make Money seminar looking for the answer to why I kept failing when I was introduced to a millionaire who had a real-life rags to riches story. I told him my sob story, and I asked him what I was doing wrong. Why, I asked, am I spending all of this money and not making any money back? It's simple, he said. You've got to stop being a sheep and do something different. I was floored. A sheep? What does that mean? He said, you need to stop digging in the mine and start selling shovels to miners. Well, I guess I look confused because he went on to explain that during the gold rush in 1848, over 300,000 people went searching for riches in California. All of these people went to California with big dreams to get rich, but most of them returned home with empty pockets and nothing to show for their time and money. But the companies selling the shovels and the picks to the miners got rich. After all, every miner needed a shovel to dig for gold, so they all bought shovels. Now, very few miners made any money digging for gold, but the merchants selling shovels to the miners made money hand over fist. The millionaire told me I'd been thinking like a miner, not like a tool seller, and that's why I was struggling so hard. He told me I'd been making the get-rich gurus rich because I was a miner throwing money down one empty mine shaft after another. Instead, he told me, stop digging for gold and start selling tools to miners. Well, that's when the light bulb went off. I immediately stopped jumping from one opportunity to another, and I started looking for tools to offer to opportunity seekers. The first experiment with this, I hit a home run. I partnered with an advertising company, and I offered their advertising services to opportunity seekers. The result? I made over $2 million in sales in just 2 years. That was all the proof I needed that this millionaire was right on the money. Since that point, I've stopped mining for gold, and all I do is offer tools to opportunity seekers. Oh yeah, and I make a lot of money doing this. So how does my aha moment help you? Well, here's the deal. If you're tired of throwing your money down one hole after another, making the get-rich gurus fat and wealthy while you struggle to pay off your credit card bills, I've got a killer tool you can offer to millions of opportunity seekers and start to see some real money in your pocket. You see, what I've seen over the years is that every opportunity seeker needs two things: traffic and leads. Everyone with any type of opportunity or MLM deal needs traffic to their websites and leads to promote their opportunity to. Traffic and leads are the lifeblood of the opportunity market. So, seeing another big hit, I hunted down a tool that would deliver traffic and leads. After a lot of searching, I finally found the #1 traffic and leads tool. I immediately joined them as a referral agent, and I did a small marketing test by sending an email out to my past clients. The moment my email hit people's inboxes, whammo! I made fast, immediate sales and saw real profits in my inbox. In fact, in just my first 7 days after sharing this traffic and leads tool, I made enough residual income to make a monthly payment on this beautiful car. Best of all, this tool pays me monthly commissions for all of my referrals, so even if I stop right now, I've just earned a nice car payment in my first week. But I'm not going to stop there. That's just week number 1. My next goal is to create a hands-free income of $50,000 a month by simply sharing this tool with the millions of opportunity seekers searching for help. And from my previous experience, it's absolutely possible with this tool. Heck, millions of opportunity seekers must have traffic and leads, so there's no end to the amount of people that I can share this tool with. All I'm doing is pointing people to a tool that can help them get traffic and leads to any opportunity, and I get paid a monthly income when they join. Every week, my income grows and grows as I share this with more and more opportunity seekers. Oh yeah, and the best part is, I do no fulfillment. I never have to mess with customer service or follow-ups. I just get paid a nice big monthly income for helping people. Now, if you'd like to keep mining like everyone else, that's fine. Statistics show that out of the 91 million opportunity seekers worldwide, only 5% or less make a full-time income. So who knows? Maybe you'll be one of the 5% who make it. Or you can get out of the cold, dark mine, join me, and start offering tools to the millions of opportunity seekers who need what we offer. So what is this tool that's making myself so much monthly income? Well, it's a killer tool that cranks out nonstop traffic and red-hot leads for anyone promoting any home business or network marketing opportunity. And it pays big monthly recurring commissions for everyone you refer. Now, what is it? And how does it work? Well, here's the deal. Click the button below this video and you'll get a complete A to Z explanation of this tool. And you'll see just how you get paid a monthly recurring income. Now make sure you watch every moment of the video on the next page, because I promise you that if you gloss over this, you'll be kicking yourself later on. Watch the video, then scroll down the page to see how you make money. There's a bonus way you get paid that I didn't have time to explain here, but it's the secret that's going to make it easier for me to get my next goal of $50K per month. It's all explained on the next page when you click the button below. Now, if you're like me, you've probably tried a ton of different opportunities, and they've probably all promised you easy money or big riches, right? Well, I did the exact same thing. I kept throwing my money at opportunities, hoping that one would finally work. But they never did. That's when I heard that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, hoping for a different result. Well, thank goodness I took that millionaire's advice. I went from the insanity of making the same mistakes over and over again to finally making money. When I stopped being a gold miner and I started selling tools to opportunity seekers, that's when everything turned around for me and gave me the freedom and the income that I enjoy now. If you want different results than you're getting right now, you've got to do something different than you're doing right now. So do something different and check out what we're making money with. Click the link below this video and see what myself and my team are doing to make so much monthly income. If it looks like it's for you, that's great. If it's not, well, that's fine too. Either way, myself and my team will continue to work together and make monthly income sharing this tool with others. And we'd like to invite you to share in all of the money there is to be made too. If you're tired of being scammed, if you're tired of feeling like you're wasting your money on one get-rich deal after another, and if you're ready to finally turn things around and start getting paid, click the link below and see the tool that's making myself and others so much monthly money. And if you create your free account, we'll be in touch and give you private access to our secret team website where you can connect with me and get the help you need to finally start making money. So click the link below, set up your free account, and let's work together now. Once you join, I'll see you on the inside.